if I was an enormous 50+ inch muskie, I would be right here. Or maybe up a little further. Come on, Goonski! So my wife said not to bother coming home unless I caught one at least 50 inches. I don't know if she appreciates how hard these are to get that size. Maybe she does realize how hard it is. I am in muskie paradise here. I do not understand why it's so quiet. Can't be me. So I'm kind of married to this lure. I did try briefly a different one and I lost it. I got a snag and I ended up having to break it off, and it was a very expensive lure. And I really just couldn't stand to lose another one. So this lure I borrowed from my brother. You know, that way if I lose it, I mean, it doesn't cost me nothing, right? That's kind of my muskie tackle strategy, I think now, is mostly work with borrowed tackle. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's bottom. Boy, that's bottom, and did I ever get a hook set? Again, borrowed lure, so I'm not really sweating it. Yay! Well, I was able to salvage it, but boy, wouldn't that have been something when I was just talking about losing it, my brother's lure, and then I would have actually lost it. Oh. And just yesterday, my nephew guided his dad to his personal best 52-inch muskie in a spot I can see from here, very close. But I'm avoiding fishing just on principle for now. Here we go. Look at Osmo following me around. Look, Beach. I'm over here, Osmo. Now I'm over here, Osmo. Okay, so we're... Get that. So here we are.
Blooper reel today.
Anyway, see you soon. I don't know why I say that.
See you soon.
And I'm heading out fishing today on this beautiful, probably 4 or 5 degrees out. Take 3. I'm with my nephew, BJ Brignall, and he's promised to get me on a Wabigoon muskie today, 50 inches or larger, or no tip. So anyway, that's the deal. So I'll be more than happy to reach in my wallet and pull out that $5.
Yeah,
$5 seems about right. All right. We're up a little bit and then co-pilot.